Welcome to the PlanDesigner Basic Tutorial Series. This series will cover many features of PlanDesigner. Take each tutorial in order to fully understand the basic functions of PlanDesigner. Let's begin. In this tutorial, you will learn how to launch PlanDesigner and understand the design interface. Before beginning, let's talk first about planning templates. Plans within planLYNX must be based on a planning template. A planning template has all the data fields that are needed to construct a plan. A planning template is constructed in PlanDesigner. Once you have completed a planning template, it's then available for use in building your actual plan. Let's get started using PlanDesigner. From the Launchpad, locate the Design option in the Tools and Utilities module. Click on this icon to begin. The first screen you see is the PlanDesigner Welcome screen. Here you are able to see a list of the last 5 design projects that have been worked on. Clicking on any one of the design projects will open that project at the last save point. PlanDesigner Help Books offer specific step-by-step lessons and tutorials on the many different features of PlanDesigner. To perform a specific task within PlanDesigner, locate the task box on the far right. Remember that PlanDesigner is a utility that you will use to build your planning template. Since this is our first time building a plan template, let's choose Create New. The Project Creation screen appears next. Here you will need to determine some fundamental details of your planning template before you actually start designing. Start by choosing the project type. Since we're building a planning template, we're going to choose Plan Forms. Then determine the use of this planning template. In planLYNX, you can build templates for a variety of planning uses. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to choose Strategic Planning. Next, give your project a name. Then you need to choose a layout. There are 2 layout options in PlanDesigner. You can choose multi-tab or no tab. Choosing a multi-tab option when you want to break down the elements of your planning template into different sections. Multi-tab layouts allow you to design plan templates that are easy to read and update. For this tutorial, we'll choose a multi-tab project layout. Finally, choose if you want to start from a blank plan template or if you want to use any of the templates that are already a part of the system. Templates within the system have been designed with key information that is needed for that template. Don't worry, you're not required to take all the elements of a system-defined template. You can modify every feature within the template to your liking. So let's go ahead and go with an existing template. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a roadmap strategic plan. The PlanDesigner interface is broken down similar to planLYNX. Let's learn some of the basics. The top menu offers additional functions for managing objects within the workspace or changing the view of the workspace itself. The Action toolbar controls some quick actions that can be done within PlanDesigner. Your Formatting toolbar. You use this toolbar when you want to format any object within the plan. Use the Formatting toolbar to quickly change the font family, size, and color. The Workspace area is the center area with a grid. The grid helps to place and align objects on the workspace a little easier. This is the Property dock. Every object on the workspace will have properties. When you have an object selected in the workspace, you can take a look at the properties available to that object in your Property dock. To the far right, and similar to the main planLYNX interface, PlanDesigner has a right dock. The right dock is comprised of several library panels: the planLYNX library objects, My Favorites, and the project objects. And inside the main panels, there are separations of libraries. Sometimes it's necessary to have more visible space in the workspace. There are two ways that this can be done. First, you can minimize the property dock. To minimize the property dock, click on the icon located in the top right corner of this container. Notice how you can collapse and expand the property dock at any time. The vertical space in the workspace is increased. The second option is to reduce the right dock. You can reduce the size of the right dock to give more horizontal space in the workspace. Hold down your left mouse and click and drag on the divider bar located here. Let's give it a try. The panels in the right dock are similar to an accordion. Clicking on any panel header will expand the panel and collapse all other panels. Only one panel can be viewable at a time. In the advanced tutorial, we'll explore a bit more about the other library panels in the right dock. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this feature of PlanDesigner. Take a few moments for a refresher quiz before clicking the next tutorial in the series.